Hey guys, in this video I'm going to help you unlock the full potential of your Wells Fargo autograph journey Visa card, and you can do this by understanding its comprehensive benefits and features, guys. So let's explore how you can make the most out of this card. So let's go over first some of the key benefits of the Wells Fargo autograph journey Visa card. So, it has a generous reward structure and you can earn unlimited points, guys, on your purchases. So 5 times on hotels, 4 times points on airlines, and 3 times points on restaurants and other travel expenses. And you also earn 1 times points on all other purchases, okay? And you also get a sign up bonus. So you can earn 60,000 points, guys, bonus points when you actually sign up, and spend $4,000 in purchases within the first 3 months. And that's basically equivalent to $600 towards your next trip. And this card has an annual statement credit, so you can receive a $50 annual statement credit when you make a minimum airline purchase of $50. So to activate your card, what you want to do is before you utilize these benefits, you want to ensure that your card is actually activated. So you want to log into your Wells Fargo account via the website or mobile app. Then you want to navigate to the activate card section. Just enter your card details and confirm the activation. And then you can basically start earning rewards. Just maximize your points by aligning your spending with the card's reward structure. Okay, so hotels, you want to book accommodations using the card to earn 5 times points. Airlines, you want to purchase your flight tickets with this card to earn 4 times points. And if you're doing restaurants and other travel, dining out or incurring other travel expenses, this will earn you 3 times the points. And all other purchases will earn you 1 times the points per dollar spent on miscellaneous purchases. Then, of course, guys, you can redeem your rewards. You can redeem your accumulated rewards or points through the Wells Fargo Rewards portal. Just log in to your Wells Fargo account, access the rewards section, and then you want to choose from the options, for example, travel bookings, gift cards, or cash redemption. All right. And then there's also some other additional card features and benefits, guys. So they have a travel protection, they have a worldwide automatic common carrier travel accident insurance, where there's coverage up to $1 million when you purchase your travel tickets with the card. And there's also lost baggage reimbursement. You receive, it is up for up to $3,000 per trip if your luggage is lost due to theft or misdirection by a common carrier. And of course, there's the trip cancellation and interruption protection, where there's reimbursement up to $15,000 for prepaid non-refundable travel expenses if your trip is canceled or interrupted for a covered reason. And of course, they have auto rental collision damage waiver, where there's a coverage for damage due to collision or theft when you rent a car using your card. Of course, there's emergency services. They have travel and emergency assistance services. They have, you get access to emergency assistance and referral services worldwide, and also the emergency cash disbursement and car replacement. So you'll have a quick replacement of your card and emergency cash advancements when needed. And some additional perks, guys, they don't have any foreign transaction fees, so you can make purchases abroad without additional charges. And of course, there's a cellular telephone protection, where you have up to $1,000 of protection against damage, theft or unintended separation when you play, when you're paying for your monthly cell phone bill with your card. And a lot more, guys. This is not even completely exhaustive. There's a roadside dispatch. There's a zero liability protection. There's Wells Fargo deals. There's a lot of other things. So we're gonna now go into managing your car. So you want to utilize the Wells Fargo mobile app to basically monitor your spending, all right, and rewards in real time. So you want to set up account alerts, okay, for payment, due dates, and spending thresholds, right? You want to instantly lock and unlock your card if it's misplaced. And I'm going to give you some tips for maximizing your card. So you want to basically align your spending to capitalize on the higher reward categories. So you want to take advantage of the annual statement credit by planning at least one airline purchase of $50 or more at the each year, and you want to use your card for all traveling related bookings to basically benefit from the comprehensive travel protections offered. And then, guys, basically, it's really that easy and simple. If you want a more detailed information, you want to refer to the link provided in the description. I'll add a link to this page. And happy spending, guys. Safe travels. Make sure you smash that like button, guys, if this video was helpful to you. And subscribe to Smart Solutions so I can see you in the next one.